Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize reports in GnuCash. To begin, open the GnuCash application on your computer. Once the program is fully loaded, take a moment to make sure you are on the main screen where the top menu is visible. This is where you'll access the reporting tools that let you view and adjust financial information in a more useful format. Next, move to the top of the window and click on Report. This menu contains the different reporting options available in GnuCash. Reports are helpful because they allow you to organize your financial data into summaries, charts, and other views that are easier to review. If you are customizing reports for a specific purpose, this is the place where the process begins. From the Report menu, select a sample report and open it. Choosing a sample report is a good starting point because it gives you an existing layout to work from. Once the report opens, you'll be able to see how the data is currently displayed, which makes it easier to understand what changes you may want to make. After the report is open, go to the top of the report window and click on Options. This is the main area for customization. The Options section allows you to adjust the report settings so the information shown matches your needs more closely. Depending on the type of report you selected, you may see several tabs or categories with different settings. In the Options window, click on General. From there, enter, select, or edit the data you need, and then follow the on-screen procedure to apply your changes. This may include adjusting report details such as titles, date ranges, display preferences, or other available settings. As you make updates, take your time to review each field carefully so the final report reflects exactly what you want to see. Once you've finished editing the settings, continue following the prompts on your screen. GnuCash will update the report based on the options you selected. If something doesn't look right at first, you can return to the Options area and refine the settings again. It can be helpful to make one change at a time so it's easier to understand how each adjustment affects the final report. That's all it takes to customize a report in GnuCash. By opening a report, accessing its options, and editing the general settings, you can tailor the report to better match your financial tracking and review needs.